Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video we are going to talk about what is Typhoon TV and how you can install this application on your Fire TV device step by step. So the Typhoon TV is a free streaming application that comes with thousands of TV shows, movies and documentaries. This is clone version of Cyberflix TV and 3RM TV. It has a nice user interface as you can even use it from your remote control. The content that provided here is free, however, there are no advertisement at all, which is quite amazing. It provides links of movies and TV shows in almost every quality like 48 pixel, 720 pixel, 1080 pixel and sometimes you may also get 4K link as well. Alright guys, so now with that we have covered what is Typhoon TV. Now let's go ahead and download this application on your Fire TV device. Let's begin. So in the Firestick home screen, what you have to do, you need to turn on apps from unknown source. Without this, we cannot sideload any application on this Fire TV device. So just hover to settings gear icon. Slide down and click on My Fire TV. Again slide down and click on developer options. And here you need to turn on both of these options by pressing remote select button. When you turn on apps from unknown source, warning message appear on your screen. So select turn on. And as you can see, apps from unknown source has been enabled. Now go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here we need to install downloader app that is used to download third-party application. Through this app, we can install Typhoon on this Fire TV device. So just hover to find, slide down and click on search. Now type here downloader. When you type 2-3 word, suggestion list appear. Slide down and click on downloader. Now click on orange color downloader icon. From the next screen, it's gonna give us ability to download this application on this Fire TV device. So just click on download button and downloader app start downloading. Just wait for a while until this is downloaded and it will be installed automatically. And as you can see, downloader app has been installed. Now select open to launch it. When you launch downloader app first time, this dialog box appear on your screen asking permission. So just click on allow and then click on OK to dismiss quick start guide. And guys, this is the home screen of downloader app. There is only a simple box there and some menus on the left side. So just hover to symbol box and press remote select button to launch keyboard. Now type your app URL address exactly as it's showing on your screen. After typing URL address, slide down and click on go button. Now it will connecting to server. After that, Typhoon TV downloaded in few seconds depending on your internet connection. After downloaded, installation section appear on your screen. So here click on install button. And as you can see, Typhoon TV has been installed. Now select done and delete this backup file because we don't need this anymore. Just click on delete, and again after deleting backup file, hold remote home button for a few seconds. Click on apps, and guys, here you will find all application that is installed in your Amazon Fire TV device. So slide down and highlight Typhoon TV application. Now press remote option button. The right side menu appear on your screen. So click on move to front. And as you can see, Typhoon is front of your all Amazon application. Now press remote select button to launch it. When you launch Typhoon first time, this dialog box appear on your screen. So just click on allow and then click on OK. Now select your media player. So I am selecting your internal player. So just select. Now click on accept use of term. And guys, this is the home screen of Typhoon TV. Here you can watch your favorite movies, TV shows, dramas, documentaries and much more. When you click on this triangle button, and you can see here Typhoon TV categories like trending content, recently updated, new shows, primaries, popular, most played, most watched, top rated, Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, CBC, action, adventure and much more. So I hope this video is real for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any questions or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.